Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate commission tracking with BrokerMint, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with automating commission tracking in BrokerMint, first, log into your BrokerMint account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Commission Plans option. Here, you will be able to create a new commission plan by clicking on the Add New Plan button. Fill in the necessary details for your commission plan, such as name, description, and commission rates. Next, specify the triggers that will activate this plan, such as transaction types or specific agent actions. Once your details are entered, make sure to save your new commission plan. Now, head over to the Transactions section in the main menu. In the Transactions area, you can start adding or importing transaction data. When adding transactions, ensure that you assign the appropriate commission plan to each transaction. After inputting your transactions, go back to the Reporting section in the menu. Here, you can generate reports to view the commissions earned by each agent. To further automate your tracking, set up regular intervals for report generation. You can do this by scheduling automated reports to be sent to your email or to your team. Make sure that your email notifications are also configured in the Settings section. As you develop your automated system, regularly review and adjust your commission plans as needed. This ensures that your tracking remains accurate and up to date. Finally, take some time to familiarize yourself with additional features and integrations that BrokerMint offers. Utilizing these features can enhance your overall commission tracking process. By following these steps, you will have established an efficient and automated commission tracking system in BrokerMint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.